Hey, what's going on? It's Dominic Daniel, CEO, coming to you from Self-Made Millionaire Success Group. And today I kind of want to go over something new for you guys out there, especially if you're in my econ. This is for all my econ guys, ladies out there that's trying to grow their business and get to the next level. And today I just want to kind of go over something real quick, give you something that's going to give you value, give you something that's going to help you bring in more leads to your business. And then on top of that, it's going to automate your system to help you grow your business in the future. Okay, so here we go. We have a system here. It's called Lead Lightning. You know, Power Lead System is another branch off of Lead Lightning. That's the paid part of Power Lead System. But we're not here to talk about that. I'm gonna save that for another video. But today we're gonna talk about the Lead Lightning. The Lead Lightning is a crucial piece that you need to your business. Especially, this is for the newbies. This is for the people that don't have a lot of money out there, that want to start a business, but they don't have a lot of money out there to spend at that time. And this is going to help them out. And this is definitely going to be able to help you guys out, the people that are in my econ, to give you something else that you can give to your prospects, to give them another initiative to join, because you can break it down and show them exactly what's going on. And now they have an automated system. Because a lot of times what happens, okay, you send them through a funnel, right? And then once you send them to that funnel, and then they say, okay, I want to join. So they join you in the business, and then they're sitting there stuck, and they're like, okay, well, I'm signed up. Okay, so that video and that all the buttons and stuff that I click, what do I do? Like, how do I get that? What do I need to do to get that video thing, for people that don't know what's going on, right? So they look in there and they go to that step, and then they see the price a lot of times, and they say, whoa, that's a little too expensive. And that's a big turnoff. So what happens? They get into business, they don't buy the whole system, right? And then they just have the link. And what do? They start promoting just the link, and they send them to the generic website or this generic sales video. And then they get frustrated and say, I'm not making any money. I'm not making any money. I don't know what's going on. And then what happens? Then everybody quits. They're done because they don't have all of the money to do that. I have a solution for you. This is a solution that's going to help you out. With Lead Lightning here, it's a one-time $7 fee. It's one-time $7. And look how powerful this is. Look how powerful this is, okay, guys? First thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to join a Facebook group. You're going to definitely want to do that so you can see what's going on, know all the updates, communicate with people, whatever, and build an audience through that. That's a perfect way to help you get with like-minded people. Okay. Now you have two links here. You have referral link A and you have referral link B. Okay. So I'm going to go over both of them with you. Okay. Referral link A would be to promote just Lead Lightning, just this program that I'm putting in front of you right now. That would be just to promote just that and get it out there. You get a little bit of commissions off of it or whatever. You get $6 commissions off this product alone. And I know a lot of people said, oh, that's not a lot of money or whatever the case. It's not a lot of money. But if you have something that you can offer to your people, it's going to help you be able to pull them in at a low cost and help you grow your business in the long run. So that's what we're here to do. We're here to grow it. We're here to grow it, quick and have it for the long run. That's what we're here to do. And this is exactly an easy way for you to do that, because now people see the value. People know what's going on. And $7, when you see $7, you're like, oh, $7, I'll pay $7. And $7 is not hard to get people to actually want to join and want to participate in the business that you're doing. Okay. So that's if you want to promote just Lead Lightning, right? Okay. So look at referral link B. So you can promote Lead Lightning and your primary business. And by you promoting both, you have potential to get income from Lead Lightning and you have potential income from coming from my econ, right? So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come down here. I already have something programmed in here right now. I have another link or whatnot, but you're going to want to put your my econ link right here, right? And then you're going to hit update. Okay, so you put your my econ link right here, and then you're going to want to hit update, right? So what's going to happen is it's going to give you a link. It's going to give you a link that's going to go right here. It's going to give you a link. So you're going to start taking that link and you're going to start promoting it, whether it be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever social media outlet that you're using, right? So you're going to be able to promote that link. So what's going to happen is it's going to redirect them to a capture page. And those of you that don't know what a capture page is, the capture page is something where you put your name and your email address in, and that gives that person a way to follow up with you through an autoresponder, right? So for the one-time $7, you're getting a capture page and you're getting an autoresponder to respond to your leads. So how cool is that for $7? For $7, you get all of that for $7. And this is definitely for the newbies because the newbies, this is what they need. This is something that they can get in. It's very cheap, and this is something that helps you be able to bring more people into your business, because now you can explain this business, and then it also incorporates with my econ. And the cool thing about it is, on day one, it's gonna promote lead lightning for you, right? On day two, it's gonna promote your primary business. So it's gonna promote both of them. You see what I'm saying? So if somebody doesn't join you in my econ, they might join you in the power lead system or lead lightning. Excuse me. They might join you in the lead lightning system. So you have two businesses balled up into one that you can potentially make income from. That'll be forever going. So when people see a $7 promotion or $7 offer, they're gonna say, okay, $7, and then okay, that's cool. Okay, well, this one's over here, the $35 for my econ. Think of how powerful that is. So now, not only do you have $7, you got $7 one time coming in or whatever, because $7 one time fee. Then on top of that, you have your $35 over here with the My Econ program that you can have coming in, and now you're promoting both, and now you're putting your business out there, and now you can scale it up. And then once your newbies start building their business, then you can introduce them to the power lead system. And now they're like, okay, well, now I can jump over here, and now they get the full program where they can, create their own capture pages. They can do their own email follow-ups and all of that. They can create their own email campaigns. They can do it all. That's how powerful it is. For the one-time $7, you get people in, and now you get people to join you in lead lightning, and you get people to join you in to my econ. How powerful is that? That is something that you can get people to come in a lot faster. They'll be a lot more comfortable, and they'll understand what's going on. And you do the same thing that I'm doing now. Shoot you a YouTube video. Put some stuff out on Facebook. Hey guys, are you struggling out there on social media, or are you struggling to get leads? I have something to help you out, and this will help you out. This will help anybody out. And once you get the gist of it and understand how everything goes, you see how powerful that'll be, how it'll work, and how it can catapult your business just off a one-time $7 offer. This is huge. This is newbie friendly. This is something that is boom, you pop a link in and you're done. There's no technical work. There's no having to worry about emails, and there's none of that. Or I got to figure out how to do this. There's none of that. Right from the jump, they put in there my econ link. You show them exactly how to do it, just like I'm doing, and that's going to help you be able to take your business to the next level. So now you have two businesses rolled into one, and it's not like you're selling something that's a big offer. You're not selling nothing that's a big offer. It's a one-time $7 to implement into your my econ business to help you make a little bit more money. I know the $7 one time you'll make $6. You get $6 for every $7 offer you get, right? But I know it's not a lot of money, but just imagine what you can do with that $6. The $6 coming in. Think about what you can do with that little $6 that's coming in. I know it's not a lot of money. You can use that money to buy traffic. You can use that money to buy paid Facebook advertisement. Or you can just use that money just to, put a little couple of extra dollars in your pocket. However you want to do it. You see what I'm saying? I know it's not a lot of money, but at the end of the day, you need that to help you grow your my econ business, because that's what it's for. That's like the $7 offer is the bridge. Cause $7, $7, that's nothing. You know what I'm saying? I can buy that, and then bam. Now when people get up, they have more confidence because now they have a full-fledged system, and they can just start promoting it. They can start going on, going to their social media outlets or whatnot, and you can teach them how to do that. And that's going to help explode your business and take it to the next level. I mean, this is huge. And for you guys out there, I know a lot of y'all have different, y'all have a lot of different autoresponders, or, Aweber or Get Response or whatever, or ClickFunnels or whatever. Okay. I know this, but $7 one time for you to get an autoresponder and be able to promote your business for $7, you can't beat that anywhere on the internet. In my opinion, you can't beat that. You can't beat that nowhere on the internet. Nowhere on the internet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna leave all the information down in the description, guys. I'm telling you, this is powerful, especially for my econ. If you wanna join my team or whatever the case may be, or if you're already in my econ, hey, get in this Lead Lightning program. Get in this Lead Lightning program so you can have something else to give value to your team. So you can give them something else to be able to take their business to the next level. Because in my econ, it's a team build. You have to help your team get to the next level. Because if your team ain't making no money, you're not making no money. It's not every man for themselves no more. And I'm pretty sure you've heard it. You know the comp plan. You know what's going on. This right here is powerful. This will give you a little bit more edge over everybody else what they're doing. I promise you that. So I'm going to leave the description. I'm going to leave everything in the description below the video. Hey, click on that link. Get signed up. Start promoting it. Get it out there to your team and let your team know what's going on. And I'm telling you, this right here will help you get your business to the next level. Okay, guys, this is Dominic Daniels, CEO, coming to you from Self-Made Millionaire Success Group. I'll see you guys in the next video.